Hello, this is Josh at Dream Body Clinic, and if you're watching this video, you probably did our stem cell neck treatment. So I'm here with my son, Baron, and we brought him because he's 11 years old, and if we can teach an 11-year-old how to do these physical rehab exercises, anyone can learn them. So these are the rehab exercises post-treatment for the stem cell neck treatment, and we don't want you to start these until 2 weeks after the treatment. The first 2 weeks, we just want you to rest, relax, don't do anything major because we don't want you to hurt yourself. We don't want you to strain anything. We really want the cells to target what is inflamed and damaged when you're not going, right? In the everyday, when your neck hurts, which I had about 3 years ago, man, it just constantly was tight and sore. There was plenty of inflammation, and stem cells are attracted to inflammation. So let's let them go where that is. The first 6 to 8 weeks are called the engraftment period. This is where they're focusing where they're going to help heal. So we don't want to go do a big neck workout in the gym or something and then they're focused on muscles instead of that herniated disc or that facet joint arthritis or that ligament or tendon damage. So let's take it easy. 6 weeks of rehab is way better than 6 months of recovering from an operation. We do not want to have any fusions or laminectomies, anything like that. So let's get to it. 2 weeks off, then 4 weeks of the following exercises. Now, if you can do them twice a day, do them twice a day. They're very simple. If it's kind of still sore and tough, just do it once a day. But do the exercises, please. Physical rehab matters. People heal better when they do. So exercise number 1. Now look, these images, and I'll post it up there, they're a little tough to understand when you first see, because it doesn't show you which side of the person it is. So the first one, Baron, look at me, look at the camera. We're gonna go up and over, this is my left hand, to the back of my head. And I'm gonna kind of pull it and stretch so I'm feeling it right here, right? You got that, Baron? Can you do this? Why the opposite? Same side, please. There, and we're pulling and we're feeling that stretch right through here. Hold it for like 5 seconds. Then the other, you're kind of grabbing the back of the head and pulling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so do like 5 seconds each side. Yeah, go back and forth a few times. I would do anywhere from like 3 to 5 sets of that just to kind of feel it get stretched, feel good, kind of move your neck around. Now next, this one, you're actually going to, how they describe it, push your chin up and hold it for 5 seconds. So you're gonna kind of push to the side and then pull, right? So you're pushing and you're pulling to give even more of a stretch there. You should be feeling it there and there. And then we're gonna switch. So we're gonna push and we're gonna pull down the back. 5 seconds each, good to go. All right, on to the next one. So before we were pushing, and then this one, they want you to kind of, I guess we're just gonna push. Last time we were pulling, this time we're just gonna push. 2, 3, 4, 5. Push the other way. 2, 3, 4, 5. And you can kind of move it a bit. All right, so then number 4, stretch your neck, taking care of your head position. So, you can just kind of do a neck roll. That's really what they want you to do here. Just get your full neck roll, go all the way to the front, all the way to the back. You can help it with your hands if you want, but you really don't need to. Just do a normal neck roll. Front, back. All right, we're getting that up. And then for the last one, this one, they want you to kind of, like we did before, but we're pulling more at the middle, kind of front of the head, down the other way. And they're all very similar exercises. They're not difficult.
Do we switch?
Yeah, you're with all of those. So those are 5 of them. We're gonna give you a 6th one that's not listed there just because. Baron, get down on the floor. Let's show them the cobra pose again, if you remember that one. So again, this isn't yoga, so get on your belly. Oh, they can't see you, dude. Come over here. All right, and then arch up. Yeah, right there. Keep your belly down.
I remember.
Yeah, right there. There you go. Yeah. Stretch that good. That's going to get the whole upper back. Now, this one isn't listed. It's actually listed on our lower back treatment, but this one does help the neck too. So go up, Baron. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, and that's it. You can get up, Baron. We're done with the stretches. Now you can do one full cycle of each exercise. You can do 2 if you want, even 3. I wouldn't go more than 3. I think you're good there. And try to do that twice a day. Look, if you can get a physical therapist, do. The better the rehab, the better the recovery. Most people are seeing peak results 3 to 6 months post-treatment. We wish it was instant. It takes time. Some people start feeling better within weeks. Like when I did my lower back, the nerve pain was gone within about 10 days. But the lower back pain took 3 months. My neck, when I did it, it took almost 5 months before it felt perfect. It can be a bit. But other thing I get asked a lot is don't go get any massages for those first 6 weeks. Don't go to any chiropractors. Let it heal, let it set. And then if you do decide to do those things, make sure it's someone you know and trust. I've had patients come and do back treatments, then go to the hotel and do like a deep tissue massage. I don't know why they do that. They end up hurting themselves again because it's not someone who knows their body and ends up hurting them. Doesn't always happen. The other thing I've seen is people that get to the gym too soon and start working out too heavy, especially when there's nerve pain involved. Nerve pain goes away quicker. You're gonna think you're better and can work out, but I've seen people hurt themselves again. So please don't, take it easy. Follow up, look, we send out surveys every 3 months to see how you're doing, but please call us. Let us know how you're doing, whether it's good or bad. Let us help you. You can call me anytime. You can talk with the doctors anytime. Our doctors are your doctors. We want to make sure you heal and recover. We don't want you coming to do your neck again. You know, if you do come back, we're hoping it's for anti-aging or because you hurt something else and you want to fix it. So we're here for you. Call me anytime, truly, at 888-704-3977. I'm on WhatsApp, Signal, or Telegram at +52 322 232 1055. All that information's on the website at www.dreambody.clinic. I'm Josh.
Baron.
This is Baron. We are happy to help. Thanks.
Bye.